Hi, my name is Cary Silberman. I'm an adjunct professor of law at Silicon Valley University School of Law, and today's topic is how to change a will while dying. Well, hopefully you won't have to change your will because your plan is going to be followed by your beneficiaries or the people that you designate as your trustee. Those are the people that you trust to carry out your wishes. But in any event, if you are interested in changing your will as you're dying, the preeminent question is going to be, do you have the mental faculty to be changing your will? And the question is, do you understand who your beneficiaries are and your bounty? That's another word of saying, do you understand what your property is all about? If you can't make out that prima facie case, or that very basic case, that you know and you understand who your relatives or beneficiaries are, and you understand the nature of your bounty, of your property, then the new will not be effective, and your prior will stand. So because it's a question of fact for a judge or a jury to determine whether or not you have the requisite intent or capacity to make out your will while you're dying, because your mind could be effective, it's a better plan to make out your will when you're young and fresh and vibrant and you are functioning well mentally. That way there can be no question, because there's a very difficult way of proving that you had the requisite state of mind. I mean, how can you prove that when you're dead? The only thing that would happen is at the time of trial, if somebody's questioning the validity of the will based on your lack of capacity, they would have to take testimony from witnesses at the time you made out the new will. So was a person functioning properly? Did he seem to recognize his relatives? And those kinds of questions would be relevant at a trial. So to avoid any type of future litigation, make out the will while you're young and vibrant and in good mental shape. In executing or making out a new will, that will eradicate or preempt your prior will. It acts to vanish or to eliminate the prior will. So make sure that if you're making any kind of change while you're dying or even during your lifetime, that's exactly what you want to do, because it will erase or eliminate your prior will. My name is Cary Silberman. I'm an adjunct professor of law at Silicon Valley University School of Law.